Hello po. Ayan, grocery raid po tayo kay Ate Pen. Nag-grocery kaming dalawa. May buto-buto kami.
Pampasakit ng tuhod.
May cucumber, carrots, and ano to? Mozzarella. Ayan, Philadelphia.
Asukal.
Sugar. May pinya kami, pineapple, and
Sibuyas. Gata.
onion, milk,
Gagawa kami ng pandesal.
harina, flour, oil. Manok, doon na lang tayo bumili para sa riwa. And mayonnaise. So, ayan. Dalawa lang po kami. Tinan nyo ang aming grocery.
May ginang kakainin. Ha?
Banana.
Tatlo lang.
Tatlong 3 pieces lang kasi ako lang kumakain ng banana. And pajoli, green beans. Baguio beans. Yun. May ano po kami, shrimp. We have shrimp. Maybe we...
Pang-ukoy.
yun. Pang-ukoy daw. We have to cook ukoy.
And
Meron din kaming salami. And
sisigang kami ng baboy.
ribs for sinigang. I don't know why
Nag-miss.
she buy too much. And we have them po for grill.
Salsik.
Also salsicha.
Wala na. May portela ka.
Nutella and milk. Yan, milk.
Hindi ko pa naraman.
We have flour. Maybe I will cook ng pandesal. Ayan.
And that's all.
And
Thank
that's
you.
all. Thank you very much po for watching. Lahat po yan, we pay for 60, nasan ba resibo, Ate Pen? 67 euro. Yan. Share po kami dyan. Kaming dalawa. Ayan po. Thank you very much po for watching. Please subscribe Kaserang Mami sa mga hindi pa po subscribe dyan. Thank you very much po.